Dear girls, today I will discuss about the chapter Algebraic Formula, chapter 12. Here some algebraic formula are given. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a and b are any numbers. Then a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. How it can be possible? A plus b whole square equal to a plus b into a plus b equal to a into a plus b into a plus b equal to a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Using the distributive property we can get it. Equal to a square plus ab plus ba is equal to ab plus b square equal to a square plus ab, that is 2ab plus b square. And a minus b whole square equal to, in a similar manner we may write a minus b into a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b equal to a into a minus b into a minus b. By distributive property we may write this equal to a square minus ab minus ba minus plus b square. Again using the distributive property we may write this line equal to a square minus 2ab. What is ba is equal to ab, and minus ab is equal to minus 2ab. Therefore this equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then if we add a plus b whole square with a minus b whole square, we will get this equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus 2ab minus 2ab will be discarded. Then we will get a square plus a square, that is 2a square, and b square plus b square, that is 2b square, equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Therefore we get again a formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. If we subtract a minus b whole square from a plus b whole square, then we will get a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus of within first bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus plus 2ab minus b square. After removing the first bracket, a square minus a square is equal to 0, b square minus b square is equal to 0, and 2ab plus 2ab is equal to 4ab. Thus we will get the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. If we want to get about the formula ab, then ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by 4. From this line, from this formula we can get ab equal to this by 4 equal to a plus b whole square by 4 minus a minus b whole square by 4, that is a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Therefore we get again a formula ab equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. What is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Then using this formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we will get a square plus 2 into a into b. B means b plus c whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus b plus c whole square. After expanded this term a b plus c whole square, we get b square plus 2bc plus c square. Then after simplification we will get a square plus b square plus c square, that is the square terms are written together. Then the 2ab terms will be written in the way plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Now let us do ourselves 12.1. Problem number 5, mn plus l square whole square. we have to find the square of mn plus l square. That is, we have to find mn plus l square whole square equal to, using the formula of a plus b whole square, we can get, in the place of a, here mn is written, and in the place of b, here l square is written. Therefore, using the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can get mn whole square plus 2 into mn into l square plus l square whole square equal to m square l square plus 2 l square mn plus l square whole square means l to the power 4. Problem number 10, 3 by r plus 2 by p whole square equal to, here we may substitute 3 by a r in the place of a and 2 by p in the place of b in the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we will get 3 by r whole square plus 2 into 3 by r into 2 by p plus 2 by p whole square. That is, after simplification we will get 9 by r square. 3 square means 9 and r square means r square plus 3 into 2 equal to 6, 6 into 2 equal to 12, 12 by pr plus 4 by p square. Problem number 14, 2x plus 3y plus z whole square. If we substitute a by 2x plus 3a and b by z, then we can get the formula as a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is, a square means 2x plus 3y whole square plus 2 into a into b means 2x plus 3y into z plus b square means z square equal to, again we use the formula a plus b whole square. That is, here in the place of a 2x is given and in the place of b 3y is given. Therefore, after expanding this term, we will get 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square plus 2 into 2x into z, that is 4xz, plus 2 into 3y into z, that is plus 6yz plus z square equal to 2x whole square means 4x square plus 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12xy plus 3y whole square means 9y square plus 4xz plus 6yz plus z square. Then after simplification, we may write 4x square plus 9x square plus z square, that is the square terms are written together, plus 12xy plus 4xz plus 6yz. Next, 102 whole square. We may find the square using the formula a plus b whole square. If we write 102 as 100 plus 2, then we may find the value of the square using the formula a plus b whole square. That is 100 plus 2 whole square equal to 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square equal to 10,000 plus 400 plus 4, that is 10,404. 16, p plus q plus r plus s whole square. If we substitute a by p plus q and b by r plus s, then we can use the formula a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square, where in the place of a we substitute p plus q and in the place of b we substitute r plus s. Therefore, this equal to p plus q whole square plus 2 into p plus q into r plus s plus r plus s whole square equal to, after expanding these, that is p square plus 2pq plus q square plus 2 into p into r, that is 2 into within bracket pr plus ps plus qr plus qs. Using the distributive law, we may write this within the first bracket plus, after expanding r plus s whole square, we may write r square plus 2rs plus s square. Then after removing the first bracket, we may write this as plus 2pr plus 2ps plus 2qr plus 2qs, and all the remaining terms will be the same, equal to p square plus q square plus r square plus a square, that is all the square terms are written together. Then the 2ab terms are written, plus 2pq plus 2pr plus 2ps plus 2qs plus 2qr plus 2qr Then let us do ourselves 12.2. 3x minus y whole square using the formula a minus b whole square. We have to find the square of 3x minus y using the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, we will substitute a by 3x and y and b by y. Therefore, equal to 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into y plus y square equal to 9x square minus 6xy plus y square. Then problem number 10, p plus q minus r whole square. Here if we substitute a by p plus q and b by r, then we may use the formula a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where in the place of a we may write p plus q and in the place of b we may write r, equal to, after expanding the term p plus q whole square, we may write p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2 into p into r, that is 2pr, minus 2 into q into r, that is 2qr plus r square, equal to p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pq minus 2pr minus 2qr. 12. Problem number 12. 2x by 3 minus 3y by 4 whole square. Here this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square using the formula. In the place of a we may write 2x by 3 and in the place of b we may write 3y by 4. Then after simplification we get 4x square by 9 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4, and this 4 will be discarded, 3 and 3 will be discarded. After simplification we get minus xy plus 9y square by 16. 15. 999 whole square equal to 1000 minus 1 whole square. We have to find the square of 999. So to use the formula a minus b whole square, we have to write 999 as 1000 minus 1. Then using the formula a minus b whole square, we may write 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 1 plus 1 square equal to 1 lakh, 10 lakh minus 2000 plus 1 equal to, you may calculate the above addition and subtraction here. 9,98,001. The value is 9,98,001. Then p plus q minus r minus s whole square equal to p plus q minus of r plus s whole square. A first bracket should be given here. If we substitute a by p plus q and b by r plus s, then we may use the formula a minus b whole square, and we will get p plus q whole square minus 2 into p plus q into r plus s plus r plus s whole square equal to, after expanding we will get p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2 into pr plus ps plus qr plus qs plus r square plus 2rs plus s square, that is equal to p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2pr minus 2ps minus 2qr minus 2qs plus r square plus 2rs plus r square s square. Then we may rewrite the above line in a following manner. P square plus q square plus r square plus s square, where all the square terms are written together, then all the 2ab terms are written, plus 2pq minus 2pr minus 2ps minus 2qr minus 2qs plus 2rs minus 2qs. Here I will complete the class. The remaining problems you should have done.